How's it going, everybody? Happy New Year, kids! In today's kids art class, I'm going to teach you how to draw Baby Yoda, also known as Grogu from the Mandalorian. So let's get into it. Alright kids, so we're going to get started. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start with Baby Yoda's eyes. So we're going to try to draw kind of in this area because the ears have to come out a lot. So what you want to do is you want to draw not a perfect circle, but kind of a shape like this. Okay, and then we're going to draw the same shape but right next to it, so on this side. Okay, so then now what you're going to do is you're going to draw a circle inside of this circle. So right here we're going to draw a circle. This is called the reflected light, and we're going to do the same thing on this side. Draw a circle, and then we're going to color the inside. And this is Grogu's eyes with the little highlight. It's called a reflected light. Okay, so once we get to this point, we're going to draw Grogu's nose. The nose is just a little kind of an upside down U shape right here. And then I want to draw Grogu with a smile, so I'll just put a smile right here. Because Grogu is happy, right? And then we're going to do little eyebrows right here. And the same on this side. So you should have something that looks like this, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw the bottom of Grogu's mouth. So just start here and we're just going to come straight around. So it's kind of like another U shape. So from here, come around. And then we want to come from here, we want to make a circle that connects. But don't go too high because Grogu's face is pretty small. So we want to come up and maybe come right about here. Okay? So come up. And then we turn. And then we come down. So you should have something that looks like that. And then Grogu has these little hairs. He's got a bunch all over his head, but you just want to draw a few. So I'm just going to draw a couple on the top right here. So a couple little scraggly hairs. Okay? And then now we're going to draw the ears. So the ear starts here and then it comes out and then it comes back down. Okay? So start here and then we're going to come all the way out. And then when we get to here, we're going to bring it all the way back to this little spot right here. Okay? And we're going to do the same thing for this side. So we're going to start here, and we're going to come out here. Okay? So start here, and then come out. And then from here, same thing. We're going to connect this line to this line. Alright, so then now, at the top of his ear, so you should make a line that comes up and then it curves, and we're going to draw the inside of Grogu's ear. So we come up and then we curve in and go all the way. Don't touch the lines over here, but just get as close as you can and then come back all the way down. So you should have something like that. Maybe this line should be a little bit thicker. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing on this side. So it comes up and then it curves out and go all the way, and then right before you get to the end you stop and then come all the way back. So now you have Grogu's ears, right? And then Grogu wears this little outfit. So basically he has this thing that goes around his neck right here. So just come down. We're just going to draw a little line that comes down like this. Okay? And then we're going to make this line come all the way up and then it comes out like this. So follow me, come out, and then it comes out like this. Okay? So basically this thing goes around his neck. And then the other side, come down from here. We're going to come down and then we're going to come all the way around to connect this. To connect it. Okay. And then you have to draw 2 lines this way right here. So we're gonna draw this one. And then draw same, not too high up here, but maybe like halfway from this spot. I'm gonna draw it a little bit down. And these are his arms, okay? So the same thing on this other side. So we're gonna draw this down. And then we're gonna come right about here and we're gonna draw it down. All right, so then now he's got these little folds in his outfit. So what we're gonna do is draw the line around. So draw this line this way, okay? And then we're gonna make the little fold. So what you do is you come around here, come down, and then come back around, and then come up. So you should get something that looks like this. Then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So come out a little bit, and then come down, and then come around, and then come up. Okay? And then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw Grogu's hands. So what his hands look like is basically his fingers. So we're gonna start from here, and we're gonna make this shape. So come out, and then up. And then on this other side, you just come right around. Okay? And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So from here, come around, and we go up, and then finish. And then he has these fingernails, so what I like to do is draw this shape. Okay? Same thing on this side. This shape. So now you have his fingernails, right? And then the rest of his outfit is really simple. You just make this kind of curved shape right here. Like this. Same thing on this side. We're gonna curve it. And then we're just gonna connect it. And now you have his outfit. And then what he has a little, there's like a little design right in the front. I'm just gonna leave it. So this is probably where I want to end. I'm just gonna start coloring it, and then yeah, you guys can follow along and color it the way you want to color it. And there you have it. Baby Yoda from The Mandalorian. Alright kids, take care, have fun, and until I see you next time, remember to let your light shine. Bye!